It's Tuesday, May 11th, day 2 of Laundry Basket Quilts 2021 Mystery Quilt. Today we're making more 4-patches, a lot more, at half the size, so get ready for a lot of cutting. Today we're assembling them in strip sets. I have a couple quick notes about the fabric I chose. First of all, this white here was very thin, like very see-through. So I added a little bit of interfacing to the back, like that. I've never done this before, so fingers crossed that works out. I also wanted to note that this light color that I chose, I used up every single piece of it. I barely had enough to finish cutting. In fact, these are my scraps. That's it. It was a very close call. Now let's cut up these strip sets. Time to make a million 4-patches. Let's go. Time for a desperately needed coffee break. Let's see. So all of my tiny little 4-patches are pressed and trimmed to the best of my ability. Now we need to make more 4-patches out of these 4-patches. So let's take a look at what that's going to look like. Okay, let's look at this. We're going to have one there, one there, one down here, one over here. So simple enough, just another 4-patch. That's what that one looks like. And then this one, look like that. Okay, I'm gonna finish my coffee and then I'm gonna sew these up and I'll see you afterwards. That was a lot. Let's skip ahead to the finished block. Wow, for such a simple block that took a long time. If you want more detailed cutting instructions and assembly instructions, visit Laundry Basket Quilts. I'll put a link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up or a comment. See you tomorrow!